This afternoon, I will be presenting to you automated water level and rain monitoring using near real-time observation, or what we call Alerto. Now, Philippines, according to PAGASA, usually experience an average of 19 to 20 typhoons per year. However, this devastating effect, though not all of them will cause a landfall. Now, other than typhoon, Philippines is also challenged with monsoons, and one of which is Habagat, where Zamboanga Peninsula usually experience these localized weather disturbances rather than the storms, where in fact, just recently, parts of Quezon City and Manila also experienced the localized flooding effects. Now, for storms, Philippines offered LISTO protocol, wherein this protocol with a sets of information, yellow, orange, and red, basically guides the LGU in terms of their action when the storm is present. And LISTO protocol is based on the tripod trap. But what about localized weather disturbances, FPA, localized thunderstorms? Now, Alerto early warning system was designed by the ADSO Geo-SAFER Sambal Sulta to address this gap. Now, Alerto system works in several information. Start with the weather monitoring, data analysis and interpretation, then information dissemination directly to the LGUs and government agencies. Alerto works in 4 different phases. One, we have the hazard monitoring, where DOST declare if the weather disturbance is a storm, then therefore automatically LISTO protocol will set in. However, if it is a localized weather disturbance, then therefore the Alerto protocol automatically active. The second phase of this Alerto protocol is the data interpretation, where the system utilizes the existing ARGs and AWLS sensors of PAGASA and eventually analyze this data. And of course, the third phase is the what you call information dissemination, where the information are sent through SMS and of course can be viewed in the what you call Alerto website. And the last phase is actually the action of the LGUs, where the LGUs develop the action plan based on the information. Now, let me emphasize that Alerto utilizes the existing ARGs and AWLS of the PAGASA. Now, we utilize the early warning system for the rainfall, where PAGASA sets out information in 3 different colors, yellow, orange, and red, with each equivalent threshold values. And that translates also for the water level sensors, which sends out information of the predetermined threshold values of the river, where yellow stands for 60% bank full, orange 80% bank full, and the red for 100% bank full. And what is good here is that with a corresponding action developed by the LGUs, for the yellow, prepare, orange, alert, and red, critical. With Alerto, LGUs will now have what you call near real-time information on status of the rain and water level sensors of the rivers, and will be able to receive information via SMS and of course through the website. And of course through Alerto, now the LGUs have sets of actions to be done according to each color warnings, and corresponding action is also developed by the LGUs. Now, Alerto transforms innovative solutions into action for a safer, smarter, and resilient Philippines. Currently, Alerto is being hosted by the Ateneo Center for Environment and Sustainability, which can also offer these services. Now, maging ligtas, maging handa, mag-alert.